Shikha, thank you so much for joining us here at the Kenyan Wall Street today.
No, thank you for having me.
So tell us a little bit about what you do.
I work at Imaginable Futures, which is a venture of the Omidyar Group. Pam and Pierre Omidyar, it's their family office. Pierre is the founder of eBay. We are a venture philanthropy firm, and we've been investing on the continent for over 12 years now. We also invest in Latin America, in the US, and also in India. My work on the continent is focused more on education and future of work.
Okay, and you sort of answered my next question a little bit, but other than education and future work, personally, are you interested in any other subsectors?
We also invest in financial inclusion and independent media quite a bit. Personally, I do think that the young people in Africa are the future of the world. And I am a firm believer that Africa is growing to be the largest supplier of talent globally. So it's in all of our interest to really nurture and support the young people here.
Okay, and what are you hoping to get out of your week here at the Kaufman Fellows Summit?
What I'm really hoping is to showcase my fellow Kaufman Fellows what great potential lies on the continent. A lot of times we are only shown stories that are tugging at the heartstrings, but there is so much potential on the continent. And as I said, it is our future. And to look beyond those stories and really see Africa, Kenya, for what it really is, which is its vibrancy, its the enthusiasm of young people, and the amazing culture that it has.
Okay, now I have a few personal questions for you. They're not too challenging. But when you were first starting your career, what did you spend your first paycheck on?
Ooh. I'm going to show my age here. I bought an iPod.
Okay. I think that's a good investment. This goes well into my next question. If I were to look on that iPod, what genre of music would I see?
Now, today?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really interesting. So I live in London, but I'm an immigrant. I grew up in India. And I love, because of my work, I love African music as well and come in contact with it. So you'd find a mix of Afrobeats, and then a lot of new age Indian pop music, which is not Bollywood, but more from like cultural lens of. I'm from the region Punjab, so you would find a lot of Punjabi music there as well.
Okay. Now, when you're hungry, what's your favorite meal?
Ooh, I'm trying to lose weight, so a protein shake.
Protein shake. Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you. Thank you very much for having me.